Mwasiri omukoro musike Dr. Fred Matiang'i oyibo igore neganga yokuligia kero kyo burayi bwense ase obuchorio bwanebo mwaka bwechiri bubere na 2025 litkolia rero neganya ko bakwana kiabuna nigo achakiro murori bweke bwokweonia imehie kiama gia Jubilee bunenjira ya moyo kwemanyikania hosio bwokoligia ekerogo gose bwokoligia ugwanjirwa ne kiamekyo koligia kero kyo burayi bwense ase obuchorio bwo mwaka bwechiri na 2025.
In terms of what is going to happen next, the party has got all its organs in place. The special NDC was the beginning of that process. Several activities will take place: recruitment, refarming of the party, reorganization, and then the process of choosing a presidential candidate will happen in the party. What I am doing myself is campaigning among as members of Jubilee, because you'll have to be nominated first of all by the members of the party. And I'm talking to the members of Jubilee at the grassroots level. I have started this. This is the first of a series of 47 such meetings I'm going to have across the country. I'm going to meet Jubilee members in every county in Kenya, go to every villages where I can find members of Jubilee. As I encourage them to register, I also ask them to consider me for the formal and official nomination when they nominate their candidates, including their candidate for the presidential contest. So that's what I can say at the moment. And then you can see the work has begun. That's what the NDC said last week, and that's exactly what we are doing. On the issue of the opposition, you know, I want to go over this very carefully, because, you know, electoral contests and the transition that we are going to as a country is also a leadership moment, which requires a lot of restraint, a lot of maturity, a lot of consultation and inclusion. Building unity and cohesion in a political framework takes time. It's not an easy matter.